attitudes of flight. Captain Shedley is now positioning the A-10 for a pass down the show line, where he will perform a double aileron roll at show center. During this maneuver, he will demonstrate the Hog's rapid roll capability by rolling his 35,000-pound aircraft at 200 degrees per second. And now, from your left, Captain Shedley displaying the Warthog's rolling maneuver. Captain Shedley is repositioning the A-10 for a slow roll along the show line to demonstrate the Hog's precise handling characteristics. As he rolls, you will notice a fake canopy painted on the belly of the aircraft directly underneath the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to deceive enemy ground troops as to the Warthog's direction of turn, while concealing a titanium armor barrier that protects the pilot and cockpit from enemy ground fire.
I'm gonna go and get a snow cone too. I will.
Captain Shedley is now performing a classic aerobatic maneuver, the Q-8. It's the A-10's remarkable maneuverability that enables it to perform its close air support mission. Twisting and turning low over the battlefield, the Warthog can deliver devastating firepower, destroying targets in close proximity to friendly ground forces. In its arsenal are a wide variety of modern weapons, including JDAMs, Maverick missiles, unguided laser guided bombs, cluster bombs, rockets, 30mm bullets, and 8-9 air-to-air missiles. All of these weapons have been used to attack forces in Iraq, Bosnia, Kosovo, and Afghanistan. The A-10's two TF-34 turbofan engines add more than just power to its performance. They're also smokeless and much quieter than comparable engines. This makes the airplane much hardier and aids immensely achieving tactical surprise when attacking at all altitudes, as you will see later in the demonstration. The Hog's engines are also extremely fuel